This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering clean tools and exact ingredients: L-ascorbic acid powder, distilled water, glycerin or propanediol, a digital scale, small beakers, and amber glass dropper bottles. Use L-ascorbic acid at 10–20% concentration. For a 15% target, dissolve 5 grams L-ascorbic acid per 10 ml to make 15% serum. Measure ingredients with a digital scale and 10 ml graduated pipettes. Work in a clean area, wear gloves, and pre-sterilize bottles with boiling water or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Heat distilled water to about 30–40 degrees C to improve solubility and pour it into a sanitized beaker. Warm distilled water to 30–40 degrees C to help dissolve the powder. Slowly add the measured L-ascorbic acid while stirring until fully dissolved. Then mix in 5 ml glycerin or propanediol per 10 ml for skin feel and stability. Adjust pH to 3.0–3.5 using tiny increments of sodium bicarbonate. Use pH strips or a calibrated meter to confirm pH after each change. Transfer the finished serum into an amber glass dropper bottle immediately to reduce oxidation, then cap tightly and label with concentration and date. Store serum in an amber glass bottle, refrigerated, use within 2–4 weeks. When using, apply 1 to 2 drops to a clean face once daily, avoiding eyes and broken skin, and follow with sunscreen during daytime. Patch test on inner arm for 48 hours and stop if irritation exceeds mild tingling. Remix fresh batches rather than prolonging storage to maintain potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.